Yep, so here I am going over to Whitesburg, and it is foggy this morning. It's patchy foggy. But it seems like the higher I get, the foggier it gets. Oh, but still, it's a nice drive. The moon. That is so beautiful. And there are still some fall colors out. It won't be long though until everything will be gray and blah. But for now, there's still some spots of pretty. I'm kind of dreading the drive this winter. Oh, lordy. Well, I got on my little soapbox a little at the beginning of my show, but now I'm playing this relaxing, slow-down music. Right now, Lorena McKenna, the Mummers Dance, is playing, and it's pretty much what you would hear like on Pure Moods, you know, from back in the day. Guys, I'm getting ready to play a podcast that is called Queernecks. And I do this every Saturday, and it's just a snippet, and I'm going to be reacting to it. And some of the stuff, oh my gosh, it is hilarious. I love the Queernecks. I'm going to put them in my description so you can check them out. Well, let's hear from our favorite cousins over at Queernecks and see what they have today.
Radio, it's your podcast cousin.
We're the host of Queernecks, a half-comedy, half-serious podcast about growing up queer in Appalachia. Every Monday, we write up a piece called Nouns of Appalachian Interest, where we dive deeper into a person, place, or thing either from Appalachia or central to life in the region.
We also don't have any real sponsors, so we just make one up every week.
We hope you get a chuckle out of these, and we hope you come and listen to the full episode on Mondays.
We're on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, YouTube, Overcast, all the usual places.
This week's episode of Queernecks is brought to you by Mean Ass Barn Cats. The tiny, furry demons keeping rural America in check, one hiss, one scratch at a time. With Mercury's perpetually in retrograde, mean-ass barn cats aren't born, they manifest. Nobody remembers bringing them home, they just showed up one winter and started paying rent in field voles. They've got scars older than your underwear, one good eye that sees through lies, and a bite force that could snap a broom handle. They don't want or need your love, they want your respect, your leftovers, and maybe your soul if you look at them wrong. You cannot tame them, you cannot hold them, but you can admire them from a distance. preferably while wearing gloves and holding a tetanus shot voucher. They'll vanish for months, then reappear in the hayloft like a half-remembered ghost story. They keep mice out, snakes nervous, and the neighbors guessing. Sure, they've drawn blood more than once, but honestly, you probably deserved it. And yet, deep down they love you, or at least tolerate your existence in their own weird way, which in cat language is basically a marriage proposal. So here's to mean-ass barn cats, too wild to cuddle, too ancient to die, and too proud to purr where anyone can hear it.
Aw, that's a good one.
Love that.
Have you ever heard of a platinum star gay man?
No, I haven't heard that one.
It's one born by C-section.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
That's just, okay. Do you want to do a noun of Appalachian interest?
I do. I have a good one this week.
Yay.
I think, anyway, from my hometown. All right, now, when I say Roy Rogers, I'm not talking about the fast food joint that serves fried chicken and roast beef under the same roof like that's a normal thing. No, I'm talking about the Roy Rogers, the king of the cowboys, the man who wore more fringe than a county fair prize goat and somehow made it look dignified. Roy Rogers was born Leonard Franklin Sly in Lucasville, Ohio, which isn't exactly cattle country, but it turns out that you don't need to be born in the desert to ride tall in the saddle. Under the stage lights, he became the singing, smiling symbol of good, clean Western heroism. He could rope a steer, ride a horse, and croon a tune, all without ever wrinkling his pearl snap shirt. And his horse, that was Trigger, the smartest horse in the movies, who could reportedly untie knots, bow for applause, and probably fill out a W-2 if you gave him a pen. And let's be real, Roy's cowboy image was less about the gritty reality of ranch life and more about the aspiration of it. He was the guy your grandma would call a real gentleman, and your grandpa would grudgingly admit could handle himself. Between movies, radio shows, and TV appearances, Roy became a full-blown American icon with that signature white hat always sitting just right, like it had a permanent halo. Roy Rogers wasn't just a singing cowboy, he was a moral compass with a saddle. He made kids believe that right always beats wrong, that your horse is your best friend, and that you can wear a scarf around your neck in the middle of summer if you commit hard enough. So here's to the boy from Lucasville, who made it all the way to Hollywood, our most famous resident ever, taking a little bit of Appalachia heart along for the ride.
I did not know he was from the area.
Yeah, my grandpa went to elementary school with him.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
That's it for Queernecks this week. We hope you had a safe Halloween. And come and see us on Mondays anywhere there's podcasts. Just search for Queernecks. It's all one word, Queernecks.
That's awesome. We love our cousins, the Queernecks. They always have something going on that is very interesting, very funny, and they're just all around good cousins. Okay, let's get on with our relaxing music, and we will hear Fields of Gold by Celtic Women. So I'm almost finished with my show for this weekend. Remember, please like, please subscribe, please listen to me on WMMT 88.7. You can hear it online at wmmt.org/listen on Saturdays from 10 a.m. until noon. So that's it for me now. See you later, guys. Bye.